Hey everyone, welcome to this simple tutorial on how to make and publish your very own Roblox game. First, you need a script to bring your game to life. So open ChatGPT and just type what your game looks like and it will generate the script for you. Next, open up Roblox Studio and pick up any template to get started. Now let's get familiar with the studio. The toolbox is where you will find free models to add to your game. Terrain editor lets you shape and build your map. The Explorer shows you every object in your game. The Properties menu is where you can change things like size, locations, and values. You can mix and match all of these tools to create a game that's totally your own. Once you are happy with your creation, it's time to publish. Just go to Files and click Publish to Roblox. Give your game a name and a description. Then click on Create. After that, go back to File and select Open from Roblox. A new studio window will open showing a game, but it's set to private for now. To share it with everyone, find your game and click the three dots next to it. Then just change the settings to public. And that's it. Now, anyone can find and play your game on Roblox. I really hope this quick guide helps you out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.